Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to share a printer with various other printers on your network. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you're going to have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select your view by to category view. Select Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. And now on the left side, select Change Advanced Sharing Settings. And make sure Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing are both turned on. And if you have to make any changes here, you would select the Save Changes button. So that's the first thing I recommend doing. Next thing, you're going to have to open up the search menu, type in printers, best match, or come back with printers and scanners. Go ahead and turn that on, or open that up, I should say. If you're the one sharing the printer on this particular computer, so it's already connected, go ahead and select the printer that you're looking to share, and then you would select the printer properties button, select the sharing tab, and if your printer did support sharing, there'd be an option here to share this printer. Go ahead and check mark it, and there'd be a name that you can name this printer whatever you want over the network. And that's how you would know what printer it is if you have multiple printers or devices perhaps connected on your network. So pretty straightforward on that. And then you would go to the receiving computer or the other computer you're looking to share it with, and you come in back into here. So printers and scanners, you would search for it, and you would select Add Device, and make sure your printer is turned on and connected to the Wi-Fi, and it should go ahead and actually locate the printer right through here. And if for some reason it wasn't listed, you can select Add manually, and you would select a share printer by name. You would do a backslash in here, so two backslashes, and then you would type your user account name and then another backslash and then whatever the name of the printer it was you were trying to share. This is just going to help search your network, but generally this is very outdated and more manual than should be necessary. So it should be able to detect it through here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.